Today I'm just going to share some basic exercise with you so that by following these exercises you can keep yourself physically and mentally fit. So students, let's start with our first exercise. Before doing any exercise, we have to do little warm up so that by doing some warm up exercises we can prepare our body for upcoming tasks. We can prepare our body for upcoming exercises, upcoming workouts which we are going to follow. So first of all, what you people have to do, you have to stay on a particular place and you people can perform these exercises in your room or in your lawn or in your garden. So all you need is a small space. First of all, we'll just try to do some spot jogging. At least for a minute, we'll just perform this spot jogging. Stay on a particular place and after that start jogging simply. What you have to do, you have to lift your legs slowly, okay? But you have to do this exercise jogging on your spot, okay? On your toes, okay? Like this. We can just start like this. Try to perform this at least for a minute. You can count your time by counting till 60 at least. And slowly you will stop. Okay? This was our first basic warm-up exercise, jogging, spot jogging, and now we'll just try to move on our second warm-up exercise. So students, now we are just going to perform our second warm-up exercise. What we have to do, simply if you people have performed this exercise at your home, for example, I'm just having cones here, that's why I have just kept cones here. If you people don't have cones at home, you can simply keep glasses, plates, cups, whatever is feasible for you, you can keep them like this and you can warm up in this small way. Okay, you can warm up yourself for upcoming tasks. Okay, how we have to perform this, you can watch it closely. Okay, so students, we'll just perform this drill now. We'll just start. You just stand on the first cone. You have kept a glass here. First, we'll just go frontward. Okay, on your toes. Okay, we'll just go on frontward. Then we'll just bend a little bit. Okay, then we'll just go sideways and then backward on your toes. Okay, slowly. Then again sideways, front, side, and then back again, side. Slowly. We'll just continue this at least for a minute. Okay. For a minute, you will just count. Okay, at least for a minute you will perform this drill. So students, when you complete this grid workout, after completing this, doing this for a minute, you can take a proper break. While performing any exercise, you have to breathe properly. You have to inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth so that you can recover your body, you can feel refreshed while doing these exercises. After that, what we have to do, we can also take water break. Okay, while performing these two warm-up exercises, we can now move on to our first exercise. So students, our first exercise will be back turn. These exercises which I am going to show in this video are especially to the students who are in the lower classes. For example, we can just say who are in the class KG 1, 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, basically these are the simple exercises especially which we have made for them, so that these students who are staying at home almost from 2 years, they can perform these exercises easily. But while performing these exercises, try to see they are performing these exercises properly. That's why we are just showing in these videos how you have to perform these exercises properly, so that you can just see it how we have to perform them. Now we are just going to start our first exercise. Our first exercise will be back turn. What we have to do in back turn, simply you have to stand and you have to keep your feet as per your shoulders. Okay, then we'll just try to lift our arm and turn sideways. Okay, you can just see how we have to do this exercise. Okay, simply lift your arm and then move it sideways, okay, like this. Swing your arm. Keep your arm as per your shoulder, like this. Move sideways properly. Don't raise your arm upwards or downwards. Keep it like straight as per your shoulder, okay. In this exercise, you can just also move your head also, okay, like this. At least we'll perform this exercise 12 times. That means 6 times will be from the right side and 6 times will be from the left side. This exercise will help us to strengthen our shoulder. So if you have to perform any exercise related to shoulder, this will help us in that warming our shoulder also. Okay? So we'll just move to our next exercise. Our next exercise will be knee hugs. Knee hugs, what you have to do, simply stand on a single leg, lift your leg upwards, hold it for a few seconds and come back. By doing this exercise, you can also improve your balancing. Okay, balancing is also very important. Okay, we can just perform this exercise like this. Lift your leg like this, hold for a few seconds and bring it down. Okay, then next leg, lift it up, hold for a few seconds and bring it down. Simply you have to hug your knees. That's why it's called knee hugs. We can perform this exercise also 10 to 12 times like this. But when we are performing these exercises, students, you have to take care that if we are doing 5 times with the right leg, it should be same with the left leg. If we are performing any exercise with the right arm, same reps should be performed with the left arm, so that we can strengthen both the arms, both the legs, all the body parts equally. Okay, so let's move to our third exercise. So students, our next exercise is side bends. So students, we can just see you people are staying at your home from such a long period of time. You people must have gained some weight, and like we have just got many requests from the parents, like make some videos for our students. They have gained so much weight at home from almost 2 years. They are staying at their home. So that's why we have just came here with this regime of exercises. Now our next exercise is side bends. So in side bends, while performing these side bends, we can just work on our love handles, on our side obliques. We can just, by doing this exercise, we can burn some calories, we can burn some fat from our side area. So what we have to do, stand, keep your feet as per your shoulders, okay, and after that we have to bend sideways, okay, like this. At least your hand should cross your knee, okay, then come back, go from other side, slowly, don't do it quickly. Perform all these exercises slowly so that they can work. Otherwise, if you are performing these exercises quickly, you will not feel that you have done any workout. Also, performing these exercises quickly you people can injure yourself. So that's why perform slowly, side bend easily. We can perform this at least 12 to 15 times or 16 times. Okay. If we have senior students, they can perform more reps. So this was our exercise side bends. So students, next exercise is very much interesting for you. You can just see, you must be like thinking how I can fight, how I can learn some martial arts. So that's why we have just brought for you people punching. So you can just, by doing this punching exercise, you can strengthen your shoulders and also your side portion of your back, okay, wings especially. So how we have to perform, students, this punching exercise, you can just say in this, okay. So simply bend a little bit, okay, bend your knees a little bit, okay, and start punching. Keep your hand near your chest, okay? Then start punching. First we'll do front side, front punch, okay? Simply like this. But punch hard, okay? Punch hard. Try to punch hard, but keep your knees little bit bent down, okay? Keep your upper body little bit in a crouch position, or you can just keep it also straight, okay? But if you keep it in a crouch position, you will not hurt your back, okay? Crouch means little bit bent, okay? And we can perform like this, okay? Or we can punch continuously, okay? We can punch continuously like this, okay? But your punch should be harder, okay? Bring it forward and close down, like this. But it must be hard, okay? Like you are hitting someone. Like you are hitting someone, it should be looking like it's a real punch, okay? Now our next punch will be side punches, okay? Same, in the same position, bend down a little bit and cross now. Cross, like this. Cross your punch, like this. We'll just try to perform these punches at least 12 to 15 times, okay? If you want to perform more, you can not, your maximum number should be 20, but after 20 punches, take a break of 30 seconds and recover yourself, take a water break, take a sip of water and come back for your another set. Just do your first set should be straight punches, 20 reps, and then next should be sideways, okay, like this, okay, so that you can strengthen your shoulders and you can learn some punching at your home. So students, let's move to our next exercise. So students, now our next exercise is a surprising exercise. Like it's, you have to do this exercise, you have to kick, okay? It's a type of a kicking exercise, high knee stack. What we have to do in this exercise, stand on the particular place and lift your legs straight like this, okay? You can also do like this. Simply you have to do, these are very much simple exercise for lower class students. They can perform them simply. Lift your legs easily, as high as you can, okay? Like this. It can improve your flexibility also by lifting your legs, and it can strengthen your hamstring, glutes, okay? Each exercise will just try to perform at least 12 times. So this is the schedule for lower class students. So higher class students can perform more reps, okay? But lower class students should perform low reps, at least 10 to 12 reps maximum. So this was our exercise, high knee stack. Now our next exercise will be side leg raises, okay? What we have to do in this, you have to stand on your place and lift your legs sideways. Simple. Lift your legs sideways like this. You can keep your hands on your waist also, or keep your hands free and try to balance yourself first, okay? When you have to lift your leg, first balance on your right leg, then lift it up, okay? This exercise will help, especially our erector muscle. We can just also can tell this can help to strengthen our growing muscles. Also, it helps us for strengthening these exercises. These two exercises which I have shown can help, especially for martial art players, to improve your flexibility. So students, now what will be our next exercise? Our next exercise is high knee jacks. Now you will tell me, sir, how we have to perform this high knee jacks. Now this is a very simple exercise. In this exercise you have to simply lift your leg and lift your hands and then cross it with your leg, okay? Just see, stand, keep your feet as per your shoulder, lift your leg like this, lift your hands first up and then cross like this. Lift your hands, lift your knee, cross. Lift up, cross. lift up, cross. This is a very good exercise for your balancing and coordination exercise. Very simple exercise. Chest up, head up, and perform it slowly. This was our exercise, high knee jabs. So dear students, I hope you have liked my session, and I request all of you to follow these exercises so that you can keep yourself physically and mentally fit at home. So students, our next exercise will be alternate toe touch, or it's a simple exercise for students, lower classes. We can just say it also, it's a side lunge. Simply what they have to do, you have to spread your legs but balance your body, okay? Don't spread that much that you are not able to balance yourself, okay? But keep your body in front, don't go backwards, you will get fall, okay? Keep your body in front, balance yourself properly, then your right hand should touch your left toe. Go in the alternate, okay? Like this. When you touch your right toe, see your upper hand, okay? Like this. Slowly perform this exercise slowly. So you will just perform same exercise for at least 12 reps. From 6 times will be one side and 6 times will be other side. So our next exercise is walk down. What we have to do, students, in walk down is simply first see how we have to perform, then you will also perform with me. Okay? What we have to do, just stand normally, okay? Stand like this, keep your feet a little bit closer, not as for your shoulders, and then simply you have to walk down. This is a simple way how the students of lower classes can learn to strengthen themselves for push-ups, to strengthen themselves for planks, or for, we can just say, burpees. What we have to do, let's see. Simply, you have to go down, keep your hands down, and go like this in a push-up position, and come back. Come back and go again. Come in a push-up position, then simply try to do it slowly. You can perform this exercise same as 10 to 12 times slowly. Don't do any exercise quickly. You can injure yourself by doing these exercises if you are performing quickly. So these were the students' 2 exercises which I have shown you. Now we are just moving to the next exercise, that will be kickback. In kickback, what you have to do, you have to balance yourself on your hands, then you have to open your legs and then come back. Okay, this is the same exercise which helps us to strengthen our shoulders, to prepare ourselves for push-ups, to prepare ourselves for planks, to prepare ourselves for burpees. Okay, what we have to do in this, just see. Simply first come on your hands, okay, like this. Keep your stand, stay in this position, then simply come here, okay? Open, come back. Open, come back. This was the next exercise, or kickback. You have to push your legs back and bring it back in front. So I hope students you will perform this exercise very carefully, and these are the very easy exercises for you. You can perform them simply. Spend some time for yourself so you can keep yourself physically and mentally fit. You can fight with this COVID-19. You can boost your immune system by performing at least regular exercise for 30 to 40 minutes. So students, now we are just going to perform our next exercise. It's a jumping exercise. In this jumping exercise, you have to jump sideways. So students, now I will just show you how we have to perform this side jump exercise. Okay? Bend yourself down, bend your knees, and then jump sideways. Like this. Balance. When you jump, your landing should be properly. Okay? Don't land backwards, you'll fall. Okay? Land properly. Again, like this. This was our exercise, side jumping, and jump easily. Don't do this exercise quickly. Take your proper time while you are jumping. So this was the side jumping exercise. So students, now we are just going to perform one more jumping exercise. You will enjoy this exercise. This is a frog jump exercise. You have to jump simply like a frog. When you jump, you will not jump far, you just take small jumps. Okay? Just see how we'll perform this. Okay? Simply bend down properly, keep your toes a little bit outside, okay? And then start jumping like this. So students, this was our last exercise, frog jump. But I will tell you one thing, while you are performing this exercise, try to take small jumps. So students, I hope you will like my session. It's very much beneficial for you people. Try to follow this session each and every day, at least for 30 to 40 minutes. When performing these exercises, take proper precautions and take proper water breaks and inhale and exhale properly. I hope we'll meet in the next session with some different regime of exercise so that we can help you people to keep yourself more fit. Till then, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.